Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we will learn how equal to operator behaves with integer wrapper classes. So here we will use equal to operator to compare the integer values. Okay, let's start to write the code and check the behavior. So here I have created one class, that is test wrapper, and in this class I will declare one integer variable. A is equal to a integer dot value of function. Here I will use to create integer object, and here we'll just pass the value is 1. And second integer I will use, that is by using auto boxing, and here I will just define b is equal to 1. So now I will compare a and b, as so here we can see both have same value, that is 1. So let me compare both by using equal to operator, and we'll check the output. So here A is equal to B. So what will be the output? So here what we will get? Here we will get true because both have same values. So let me run and check the output. So here we can see output is true. But if I will change the value, and here I will use the value is greater than 127. For example, here I will use 200. So integer b is also 200. So now what will be the output we are expecting? So here we will get false. If we are using value greater than 127, in that case we are getting false. So let me run this application and check the output again. So here we can see now we are getting false, but in case of 1 we are getting true. So why this is the difference? So why is the output different in both cases? And here we are using same equal to operator for both comparison. So as we can see in first scenario we have used the value is 1, that was below or less than 127. But in that case we are using value 200 and we are getting response as false. So as we know, the equal to operator compares memory references. So Java caches integer from -128 to 127. So the first boolean is integer comparing the cache integer. But in our second example, the value is greater than 127, so it is not cached in integer cache. So which means two different integer are created when putting them. So that's why calling equal to operator we are getting false here. So as we know, the caching range is set between -128 to 127. So when we call the integer dot value of method the first time, it caches the value in integer cache. But the integer cache mechanism only works with auto boxing and while we are calling integer dot value of method. But if we are using new operator, then it will not store into cache. For example, here I will create integer a is equal to new integer. So in that case it will not store value into cache. So integer b is equal to new integer. Now it is deprecated and they will remove. So let me run this application and we'll check the output. It will return false because in these cases it's creating two new objects and both are referring to different, so we are getting false. So here we can see if we are using new keyword to create an object, here the comparison will always return false regardless of its value. So here we can say if we want to compare numeric equality but don't care about whether any references is same of the object, then we can go with equals dot equals method. So let me call here dot equals method for comparison. So we should always use dot equals method for comparison. So let me run the application again. And here we can see the output is true because both values are same. because equals to operator equals to method always check its value, not the references. So we should always go with equals method while comparing the equality of two objects. Okay, thanks for watching this video.